This tutorial we're going to design a simple MR logo. This logo, so we are going to design this logo that is moving now. If this is your first time seeing my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this channel I drop video on graphic design, and you will learn a lot if you subscribe. And you can check other videos. I have other logos designed in my channel already. You can check other videos and learn more. Alright, so in today's tutorial we are going to design a simple MR logo, this logo. Now if you have any question, just drop it under the comment section, and do it to share this video so that others will learn. Alright, so let us resize this and let us start designing. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do now is for us to get a text. Alright, so by clicking on this A here for our text, then we click on this plus sign here, and then we click on edit so that we can edit our text. Alright, so what we are going to write is just a simple M, a capital M. Alright, so let us go to size. Let us give it a bigger size. It's okay this way. Then let us go to font. We are going to change the font. Let us click on font for us to change the font. Alright, I already have a font that we're going to use for this design, so, and the font is this one here. This font here, Robotus Lab regular. So that's the font we are going to use. So we have to just click on it, then we click on OK. Alright, then we are going to give it a style by just clicking on this style. I want us to give it a bottom style, so it will be bold. By clicking on that B, then we give it a bold style. Alright, then we are going to give it a black color. By clicking on color, we give it a black color. Alright, so the next step is that we are going to copy this shape now. When we copy it, then we click on edit. Let us edit it to R. You erase this and give it R. So yeah, you click on OK. Okay, the reason why I copied is that I want both the letters to have the same style, the same font, and the same size. So let us just keep it this way. Alright, let me use position so it'll be okay. Alright, that's nice now. Okay, the next thing, let us lock the shapes by. Alright, let me show you how I did this. Just click here for us to lock the shape. We can also merge through that. Then sorry, we are not merging. Then we are going to click on this key here so that we can lock them, so that they will not be moving again. The next thing that we are going to do is we are going to import a shape by clicking here. Then we click on shapes so that we can give it the shape that we want. We click on this drop icon here so that we select the shape, and this is the shape that we are going to make use. This one here. Alright, just click on it. Then we are going to give it, let's just give it a red. Let us leave it on this white color for now. Then after resizing, we can now change the color. So we are going to rotate, and here's where you can use to rotate. Alright, let's keep it this way. Just watch and see what I'm doing. I think the length is too small. Just increase it again. Okay, it's okay now. I'm going to keep it this way. Sorry, I'm going to keep it this way. I guess the length is too small. Let us increase it again. Alright, yeah, it's okay this way. It's okay, you can just reduce it again. And then keep it this way. Let us use rotate so that we can rotate this thing in a proper way that we want by clicking on this rotate here. And just get it. I think this is good now. And let us position it like this. It's okay. Alright, so let us give it a black color. Then this shape, we are going to give it a black color by just clicking on this color here. Sorry, not this color. Then click on the enable button, then you look for black color. Alright, it's okay like this. Then we are going to merge these three shapes the same way that we merge by clicking here. Then we are going to click this place. Then we are going to merge these three things now. Alright, so we are going to merge them. The next thing we are going to do for it to merge is just click on the center one and click on OK. So we have merged this shape. Then click here to go back so that we can remove this. Alright, the next thing we are going to do is to copy this shape by clicking on copy. So this is now a shape, no more a letter again. Then we copy. And this first one, we are going to give it a relative position. Click here so that we can center it. Then we are going to click this one here. This is the one we are going to click. Alright, then let us go and lock it. That is this one. Then this one now, let us also give it a relative position by using this, and we're also going to click on the center one here. It's okay now. So this is a two shape, but they are now looking as if they are one, so it's okay like this. Then let us lock this one also. Then sorry, alright, let me delete this. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is go to shape again. We're going to apply another shape so that we can crop some parts of this. So just look at what I'm going to do right now. So we are going to remove the top part of this this shape. It will now remain only the down part. Just look at what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to keep it this way. Let us get it in a better position. Okay, let us use rotate for this. Let us use rotate. Let us get, okay, I think this is okay. Then we are going to keep it this way. Alright, so this is okay now. We are going to merge the same normal way to merge your shape. Now we are going to merge this first one and this one. That's the two shapes we are going to merge. So let us merge now. Then let us go to erase color and enable the button. Then you can increase this tolerance to 70. Alright, so you didn't see anything happen because we imported two shapes. So first shape now, this shape now only have the down part. It doesn't have this upper part that I say. It now has only down part. Alright, so the next thing we are going to do, let us lock it, and then let us do this one again so we can get the upper side of it. We go to shapes again in the same normal way that we did on the other one. You rotate so that you get it right. Okay, we're going to keep it this way. Alright, I think it's okay like this. Then we go to merge again, the same normal way to merge. Now we are going to merge this one now, this last one, and this first shape here. Click on OK. Alright, then let us go to erase color here. Enable the button, increase it to 70. It's okay like this. So now we now have that this one will be the down part, then this one will be the upper part of this design. Alright, let us now the first one, which is the down part, let us we're going to import another shape, just a small shape for the upper side, and we're going to make it to be in black color so that when we apply our texture the thing will not scatter. Then let us go to color, give it a black color. It's okay like this. Then we are going to merge the two shapes now, this top one with this one now. That's the one we are going to merge. Alright, so this and this is okay now. Alright, the next thing we are going to do now, let us lock this one and then unlock the second one. Alright, so that we can now apply the same thing to this down part. So we go to shape, then let us give it a black color. Then keep it. Make sure the shape will be at any black side of this shape that we have already. Any black of this MR shape. Alright. Sorry, it's okay like this, even though it's too small, but it's okay. Then you go to merge again. We are going to merge this shape now, this and this. Alright, so we click on this one and then this one, then we merge. Alright, then we are going to bring this one here down. Sorry, let us drag this one down like this. It's okay this way. Alright, now so we are done. The next thing we are going to do now is just to apply texture to it, but before then let us unlock this top one so that we can move it to see what we have been doing since. Alright, so let us move it. Just look at it now. Let's see what is going on now. Alright, so this is what I want to achieve. Alright, it's okay like this. Then we are going to apply a texture to this top one by clicking on this texture here. Then we are going to click on this image icon here. Alright, so you can download this texture from your Pinterest, and I've made a video, an introduction to Pinterest. You can go there now and download this texture. All you can just do is just type saver texture and you see something like this. So this is the part I want to apply in my design. I'll just copy it, then I'll click on this check mark here. Alright, so then let us go to texture again. There's a button that we're going to on so that we can check how the thing will look like. This button here, so that it will maintain a ratio. Alright, it's okay like this. Now let us lock this one, this top one. Then we are going to unlock this down one now so that we can apply a texture to it again. Normal, we just go to your texture. We are going to give this one a golden texture right now. So we are going to make use of this. So I'm going to make use of this. It's okay like this. Alright, let us go to texture again and on this button. Okay, so we are almost done with our design. Then what we are going to do now, we are going to merge the two shapes now by clicking there. So we are going to merge these two shapes now, this one and this one. Sorry, not this. Alright, so we have merged the two shapes now. You can see they are now moving. We have merged the two shapes. Alright, the next thing that we're going to do now is let us go to 3D shape. Let us apply a small 3D shape to it. Then we are going to off this button, this down button here. This one, you're going to off it. Then this dark can reduce it to 0%. Then the depth, you should reduce it to something like it's okay like this, something fall like this is okay. Then let us apply a shadow to it. Yeah, I think that's cool now. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do it in emboss. So you click on it, then click on the enable button. Alright, the next thing we are going to do now is that we're going to reduce this so that we can get the perfect way that we want it to be. We want it to look like. Alright, we just okay, it's good like this. And I'm going to reduce this by 4. Okay, it's okay like this. It's okay like this. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is now to get this text and together with those line that is there. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is to get the line. Let us click on shapes. That's how we can get it. And let us resize it to like this. It's okay this one. Then let us give it a texture also, that's golden texture. This same texture, and I will crop it so that I will get the part that I want. Then go to texture again and click on this enable button. It's okay this way. Then let us resize this. It's too much. Okay, it's good now. It's good now. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do, let us lock these shapes so that they will not be moving again. Alright, the next thing is now a text. Let us add text. MR logo. Click on edit. And capital letter MR logo. Click on OK. And keep it this way. just come to style and give it a button style. We're not going to change the font. Then you come to texture. Let us give it a golden texture. The same golden texture that we are using, the same one we're also going to use for this test. Is okay this way. Then click on that enable button as well. Alright, the next thing, let us just copy this shape and then edit. Designed by, or just MR logo by graphics. It's okay this one. Yeah, we're going to resize it. So it will be this way. But this one now, we're going to change the fonts. We're going to change the fonts of this one. Just click on font. Then we're going to go down to this last font. This one is the one that we're going to make use of. This one here. So click on it. Click on OK. Alright. I think this is cool now. And just reduce it again. It's okay like this. Then we're going to copy this shape again. This line here. This small shape. All you have to do is just come to this place. Then here's the shape. Here's the shape. So we are going to click here. If you click on it, then click on this copy icon here. Then it will automatically copied it. Then let us go to shapes and with position so that it will be okay. I think it's okay like this. Yeah, it's okay like this. So we're almost done with our design. So the next thing we are going to do is just give it a background. So you can still download this background from your Pinterest. Then I'm going to click from gallery. So here's the background I'm going to make use of. Now select this part. It's okay like this. So you can see it, we are done with our design. So let us lock all these things so they won't be moving. Alright, so let us see the one that let us make it to be at the front. You can see it is the same thing. Alright, so this is how you can make your simple MR logo. Thanks for watching and thanks for staying to the end of this video. Please, if this video was okay for you and you learned a lot, please do it to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you have not, and share this video, like and comment. If you have any question, just drop it under the comment section. See you in the next video. By the next video we start flyer design. See you in the next video.